Introduction to C# and .NET Framework. The .NET Framework is a software development platform developed by Microsoft. It provides a comprehensive and consistent programming model for building applications that can run on various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The framework consists of several components that work together to enable developers to create robust and scalable applications. Here are some key components of the .NET Framework. 1. Common Language Runtime, CLR. The CLR is the execution engine of the .NET Framework. It provides various services, such as memory management, exception handling, and security, to ensure the reliable execution of applications. 2. Base Class Library, BCL. The BCL is a collection of reusable classes, interfaces, and value types that provide a wide range of functionality for building applications. It includes classes for file I/O, networking, data access, XML processing, and more. 3. Just-in-time, JIT, compiler. The JIT compiler is responsible for converting intermediate language, EL, code into native machine code at runtime. This allows the .NET Framework to achieve a balance between performance and portability. 4. Language Integrated Query, LINQ. LINQ is a powerful feature of C# that allows developers to query and manipulate data from different data sources, such as databases, XML documents, and in-memory collections, using a unified syntax. 5. Asynchronous Programming. C# provides built-in support for writing asynchronous code using the async and await keywords. This enables developers to write responsive and scalable applications by avoiding blocking operations. 6. Generics. Generics allow developers to create type-safe and reusable code by defining classes, interfaces, and methods that can work with different types. This promotes code reusability and improves performance by eliminating the need for boxing and unboxing operations. 7. Language Interoperability. C# is designed to be interoperable with other .NET languages, such as Visual Basic .NET and F#. This allows developers to leverage existing code and libraries written in different languages within their C# applications. 8. Pattern Matching. C# 9.0 introduces enhanced pattern matching capabilities, allowing developers to write more concise and expressive code. It includes features like switch expressions, property patterns, and relational patterns. 9. Records. C# 9.0 introduces a new record type that provides a concise syntax for defining immutable data types. Records automatically generate useful methods, such as equality comparison and hashing, making them ideal for modeling data. 10. Top-level statements. C# 9.0 introduces top-level statements, which allow developers to write code without the need for a surrounding class or method. This simplifies the entry point of an application and reduces boilerplate code. 11. Target-typed new expressions. C# 9.0 introduces target-typed new expressions, which allow developers to omit the type name when creating new instances of objects. The compiler infers the type based on the context, reducing redundancy in code. 12. Improved pattern matching for nullable reference types. C# 9.0 enhances pattern matching for nullable reference types, making it easier to work with null values and avoid null reference exceptions. In summary, the key features available in C# 9.0 include enhanced pattern matching, records, top-level statements, target-typed new expressions, and improved pattern matching for nullable reference types. These features, along with the existing capabilities of the .NET Framework, provide developers with powerful tools for building modern and efficient applications. Thanks for watching.